Uh, so, so hope you all have gone through the questionnaire. So for you all, I'll just repeat those questions here again. So you all have to do 2-minute presentation wherein you have to answer why you want to be a video influencer, then what is the purpose of your channel, then what are the basic benefits if I'm your subscriber and I want to follow you. So what kind of benefits your subscriber is going to get after consuming your content? That is what is you have to answer. Then why I, that is subscriber, should consume your content? उनको क्या मिलेगा आपका content consume करने की वजह से? Then how frequently you'll upload your videos? आप daily देने वाले हैं, आप twice a week देंगे, weekly देंगे, monthly देंगे, आप content किस तरह से देने वाले हो लोगों को? Then with what formats of video content and which are the different platforms actually you'd like to start your journey? So we have done two separate sessions wherein we understand different platforms. One is, of course, your YouTube channel, and other than that, we have seen different social media platforms, just like Facebook is there, LinkedIn is there, then Instagram is there, IGTV is there, Vimeo is there. So there are several different platforms on which actually you could start your video influencing journey. So in this platform, which is the type of channel you would like to be? So there are channels which are just educational channels. They give you training on something. There are few of the channels wherein they teach you specific things like technical things. There are some of the channels who do unboxing kind of videos. There are few of the channels who are travelers kind of thing. There are experience based channels. They make you feel something. There are review based channels. There are interview based channels. Even there are few more topics wherein they give you a different kind of experience through their channel. So there are different kind of formats wherein few people just have some live things, like for example those people who are into poetry and all, so they do stand-up poetry with them. Those who are actually in the field of comedy and all, they may get connected with different kind of stand-up comedians, and they may have some kind of concerts and sessions with those kind of people. Few of the channel interview based channels. So if it's a like a business and founders related things, so founders speak and business related talks they put on there. Then there are few of the channels who take celebrities interviews and they post it. So once you have you got different, means good amount of followers, subscribers, then actually you become an influencer. And what is the main advantage to become influencer is, of course, monetization is there. You'll earn money from it. So how actually you'll earn money? So yeah, eligibility criteria is, firstly you should have 1,000 subscribers. Then you should have 4,000 hours of watch time during 1 year. Last 1 year only. It will not be considered from the start of the session, but of course within last 1 year, whatever watch time has been done within that period only, it will be considered. So this is eligibility. Once you get eligible, after that again there are several things. So you may get money through Google ads. So there will be similar kind of audience who would like to actually watch that kind of content. So Google will put, okay, you are having these kind of subscriber, so they may watch this kind of channel content, and that kind of ads will be run on your channel. Based on that, like how many people have watched that ad, you will get money. Then once you have got good number of followers, actually big brands may come to you, and they may actually make you their brand ambassador. So you may actually advertise their product onto your channel, and that's how actually you earn money. Then there are some kind of subscription based model wherein you get some share. So I'm not remembering the exact name, wherein for example now uh, uh, you are looking for all this mic and this ring light stand and all these kind of things, like for video influencing. Now for example if I would like to get connected with suppose Boya company. So Boya company will say, okay, you are doing video influencing, then I'm giving you my link. Okay, you provide this link to your people and you will get some share. So many of the YouTubers actually they provide links in the description, and based on that link, if actually you purchase, then they'll also get some kind of a commission within that. So that kind of also monetization happen. So these are the different formats in which actually you could earn money, monetize your channel through YouTube. So these are the few examples. Now, this is what is the format. About format, I have told you. About platforms, I have told you. Now, what is the next question? How you will get your initial 1000 subscribers. So which are the platforms onto which actually you will get your target audience? Have you first done the exercise ki how who is your target audience, how actually on basis of what things you'll decide ki okay, this is my target audience, and once you understand ki this is my target audience, from where you will get your target audience. So if at all you could not answer the last question, that's fine, but at least first 5 to 6 questions, whatever number of questions you could answer, you are having clarity. So I want you to give the answer and think that you are a very successful person, and I am taking your interview on a very big platform, and your interview is going to publish everywhere onto TV and all the social media. So in that way, actually, you should feel that you are getting interviewed. So that kind of feeling you all have to bring in you, and that's how you have to give your this 2 minutes presentation. So let's get started. Hope you all are ready. All the best to all of you. Now, one by one, please let me know who would like to come first. Over to you. Now we all have to start with our 2 minute presentations. Who would like to come first? Should I please type your name one after another, so we don't have to wait for asking everyone aa karke. So first, who would like to start with? Meanwhile, one person may start, and meanwhile other people, please write in sequence your name. कौन आना चाहेगा सबसे पहले? For 2 minute presentation, whatever questions I have given. No one. Please keep in mind you all are here because you would like to become video influencer.
This presentation, it is just like question answers, right?
Yes. So questions I have already given to you. Every time I will not repeat the same question. I have already repeated it. So you have to directly answer it.
Yeah, I can start.
Yeah.
So the first question, why you want?
Can you all come on the videos so that it will be better?
Actually, then I will come little later because my internet is having some trouble today. Is
okay,
it okay?
Okay, no problem. No issues.
Okay.
Yes.
Then I can start?
You may start. Okay, Pranil ji, you want to start?
Yeah. Ma'am, is it okay to say like a para instead of just question answering?
Your voice is not clear.
Is it okay if I say it like a para, or you want like a question answer format?
Question answer will also do, para will also do.
Okay, I'll just say it in a small para format, like compiling the question that you're asking.
Your voice is not clear, and come on the camera, please.
Yeah, ma'am, can you hear me?
I can't see you on the camera.
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay. Please adjust your camera. Yeah.
Is it okay?
Yes, please start.
Can you hear me?
बेटर है, थोड़ा सा आवाज अलग ही आ रहा है, क्लियर नहीं है, but fine.
Okay. Yeah. Hello, friends. My name is Pranu. I'm a practicing architect with inclination towards helping people to improve their quality of life. Improving the quality of life being lived with focus on establishing balance between health, wealth, and relationships. I would like to help you know yourself better, learn and heal with numbers, may it be Vastu, numerology, or graphology. I'll be sharing the tips, say, on a weekly basis. And with the help of my tips, you can expect some positive moments in your life. I plan to take Facebook, Instagram, and maybe YouTube. Is that okay, ma'am?
Yeah. Okay. Okay, fine. So please clap for Pranil sir.
Thank you.
Okay. At least we could hear few of the claps. Thank you, sir. Next, who would like to come next? So Ganesh Riji, you would like to come for the presentation?
Yes,
Hi.
yes, ma'am. The first question is, why you want to be a video influencer? To promote my brand to everyone and get lead to my profession. Basically, I am an alternative therapist running a trust also. Based on that, I am teaching acupuncture, Burma, and more than 30 therapies under my brand. This is my first answer. The second question is, what is the purpose of your channel?
No voice. You just need to copy. You're seeing on the screen, right? You're just going to download your copy of the ad, zoom it, and copy the entire ad on your notebook with your pen.
1 minute, ma'am.
So there is
1
no
minute.
talking involved. I will just do this. So what you're going to see, right? There are only 10 more minutes. You need to download the copy of the ad.
The
And
second question is,
then zoom it and then put your pen to paper and copy each and every single word of the ad onto your notebook with your pen. Don't ask me why, but I will exactly tell you why you're doing all this stuff sometime.
hi. Hi, ma'am.
Yes, yes, you may continue.
My second question is, what is the purpose of your channel? Sharing my knowledge about our traditional art healing method to everyone. Same wise, promote my brand and earn money. The third question is, what are the benefits I will get after consuming your content? You get healthy information for your happy life. Fourth question, why I should consume your content? For your healthy and happy mind, body, and spirit. How frequency you will upload videos? Weekly thrice. With what format of video content and platform you will start your journey? Action shoot videos, infographic videos, and screen recording also. How you will get your initial 1000 subscribers? I don't know about that, but I share my all videos to my social media link like WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram, and Facebook friends. Thank you, ma'am.
Wonderful, wonderful. Very nice. Please clap for her.
Beautiful.
So I'll have one session, how you will get your initial 1000 subscriber. Don't worry about that. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Next, would like to come? Anyone ready?
Yeah, Anitaji, I would like to. Okay, no problem. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, the first question, I have to read the questions. Why video influencer? Okay, so I am Devlina and I am a spiritual life coach. The first reason why I want to be a video influencer is to reach out to maximum people and tell that what is the purpose of their life and to guide them towards that direction. And of course, what is the purpose of the channel? To reach out to maximum people. What is the benefit I'm going to get or the consumers are going to get is that they will be aligned with their own purpose of life. A lot of people have diverted from the same. So they would also get a balance of their mental, physical, emotional, and spiritual integration in their life. Why should I consume your content? My content is all about daily healing. We forget to do daily healing while we know that everyday bathing, eating, sleeping is required. But if we do not heal ourselves daily, then it is possible that our frequency, vibration, and energy will go down. So the daily dose of healing I would be providing through this channel. What would be the frequency of the uploads? The frequency would be 2 to 3 maximum. We can expect 2 videos per week. And what formats of the video? There are 3 different formats I have planned to: infographics, action shoot, and animation. And how will you get the initial 1000 subscriber? I completely believe that whatever would happen, so I would go organically, and of course I will use the tools provided over here. Thank you.
Wonderful. Fantastic. Please
Thank
clap
you.
for her.
Thank you.
Okay, so I can
Ma'am, I
understand
can
now.
go.
Yes, yes.
I
Many of
can
the
do
people
now?
have got clarity. Yes,
I
Purvaji.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, ma'am, I'm not reading the questions. I've written, so I'm just saying it. Okay. I would like to create a positive image of my brand, generate awareness, and that is why I would like to be a video influencer. And the purpose of my channel is to encourage optimal wellness and spiritual growth, to provide happiness tips, manifestations tips, self care tips, and it will benefit you to cope with physical and emotional pain and other life stresses. My content will provide emotional help with my mindful tips, with switch words, with backflash, and other tips, and help you lead a healthier and more comfortable life. I will upload videos once a week. I will start with simple video content, and I will use Instagram platform to start my journey with.
Okay, great. Much clarity. Very nice. Please clap for her. Please motivate each others so that everyone could get that feeling, just like we are sitting in front of others.
Awesome. Awesome.
Super, super.
Great. So many of you have got the clarity. So who would like to come next?
Yes, ma'am. Prakash here.
Yes, sir. Please start.
Our voice is very clear.
Yes, yes.
Okay. The number one question is why you want to be a video influencer? Because nowadays many things, maximum people are attracting through.
Just a minute.
audio.
Just a minute. Please remain on mute. Other people remain on mute so that there should not be any disturbance. Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Out of our Panchendriyas, these two are more influenced. So that's why to reach the people in any way. So this is the easiest media what I felt it. So that's why I would like to go for this video influencer. Then what is the purpose of your channel? So because I am working as a wellness coach and motivating a lot of people to get their health and wealth in a proper way. Other things are I'm the hypnotherapist and alternative therapy, a lot of this healings, and I am doing it. So one by one, I would like to introduce myself, and I would like to help the people in this way. So third one is what are the benefit I will get it after consuming your content. So they will get a lot of because nowadays people are in a very much stress because of their lifestyle. So I would like to influence now their lifestyle to in a different healthy lifestyle. So then how should I consume your content to lead a happy and healthy life? How frequently you will upload the videos? So weekly twice. Then the last question is how will you get your initial 1,000 subscriber? So that still we are in a LKG, so we have to think of it. Okay.
No problem, sir. I'll bring you to 10 standard.
Yeah, yeah.
I'll give you one section. Wonderful, wonderful.
Very nice. Very nice.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am. Can I?
Yes, yes. You
Okay,
can.
myself, Dr. Pooja Nagpal, and with your first question, why do you want to become a video influencer? It is because I have to create my brand of myself in the education world, have some my branding through this channel. Then purpose of the channel is imparting skills, sharing my knowledge. Benefits would be for those people who are aiming at soft skills and life skills. And why should they consume? It is especially for the students who are looking for placements, teamworks, even for the business people, corporate executives, when they want to look at the culture building and so on. When will I upload? It would be 15 days one. And the format would be based on the infographics start up with, and later on I would be adding on more. And the platforms that I would look into would be on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram. how will I get subscribers? At first, I would try to put them in my WhatsApp group with the like-minded people, Telegrams, Instagrams, LinkedIn, and so on. And how to get 100 subscribers, Neeta ma'am is there to help us. Thank you, ma'am.
It's 1,000. Yeah, I'll help you out. Wonderful, wonderful.
Wonderful.
Yes, very good. Well done. Anyone else want to come? Next.
Myself, Sonali.
Yes.
Yeah, hi. Hi, I'm Sonali here, and now let me see the questions for you.
Rishika दिख रहा है? Same, no?
Sonali Das, yeah, correct.
Okay.
I'm
Is it
so sorry.
possible to come on camera?
No, actually, if I on my camera, then the music,
Okay, no problem.
I mean, the network will not be there, like no. So I would have a little problem here.
No
So
problem.
can I?
Yes, please.
Okay, so like my name is Sonali, and we are basically into food business. And the thing is, the purpose of this learning the video influencer is like, now I would like to promote my brand, and through this, like no, through this I can reach maximum people, like no. The product of my this thing is, we are the manufacturers and suppliers of Momo. And as you know, Momo is like no, within a eco-friendly, it's an eco-friendly food with very less this thing, like no, payable, and maximum people can have, like no. And it is a steam process. So the benefits of this is like no, people do not have to have too much of oily food, and it is good for their health as well. Okay. And how frequently you would like to upload the videos, like yeah, it's just like in a week, twice, like no. And I would like to use platform like YouTube, Insta, Facebook, and of course, like no, initially I will try maximum whatever networking I have within me, which is WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, how many groups I have, I will try to subscribe through them. Like I'll ask them to create to share to their batchmates, like no. And anyways, you are there to help us out, like no, to know how can I make to 1,000 subscribers.
Definitely. Definitely. Thank you so much, Sonali ji. Wonderful.
Thanks. Thank you so much.
Very nice.
So you're going to teach how to prepare momos, or you would like to just sell it on?
Sell it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're already having your production, manufacturing, and everything, and you'd like to promote it.
Yeah. Now the thing is, we don't know how to do that, like no. But momos are something like no, it's just it's eco-friendly if you go to see. Within many, it's not an oily food. It's like it's a steam process. So zyada ye bhi nahi hota. Like it's not that like people can't have it. It's like healthy food. If you go to see.
So what you can do is, Sonali, I'm having few suggestion and recommendation for you. So don't take it as buying, selling first. First try to put it as a health awareness kind of thing, wherein actually you tell them ki how oily food is dangerous for our health and how we could actually overcome. So that will become burning problem ki okay, people are having these issue, that issue. So come up with few of the issues when they are eating some junk food or oily food or whatever is harming us, that kind of food if they're eating. So then once you have got those kind of problems that become the burning issues, now you are solving the problem. So you are a problem solver, and then put up things in a positive way. If they are adopting these kind of food in their daily life, so how they are actually going to overcome all these issues and all. So you may start with such kind of awareness kind of channel wherein people will understand, and that's how they will get connect with you. So you give the solution then later.
Yeah, excellent. Thanks so much, Neeta.
है ना? So actually जैसे बाबा रामदेव, if you know FM सबसे बड़ा FMCG कंपनी है आज, उनका 25,000 करोड़ से भी ऊपर का टर्नओवर का कंपनी है उनका. Now how he was started, actually he get connected with people just by teaching yoga. है ना? Firstly he was actually connecting with people just by teaching yoga, and that's how actually he came on TV, and that's how people started following him. But that was again a very organized and planned marketing strategy, nothing else. Then actually he came up with Swadeshi kind of things. We should actually adopt Swadeshi because we want to become healthy. We should adopt that kind of lifestyle, and that's how he come up with 1111 product. And now actually he has become a very huge FMCG brand. So that is actually again a planned kind of organized marketing strategy. So whenever you would like to become video influencer for branding purpose, or you would like to actually get connect with your audience, wherein you'd like to reach them so that you could get more sell. So in that case, you start with connecting with them first, create a bond. Once you get people, you get good amount of reach, then one after another give some recommendation and give project your products and services later on. But again, it should not feel that you are trying to sell them something. So that kind of, because once you started selling something, no, people will run away like anything. वो टेली शॉपिंग का वो चैनल लगता है तो कैसे भागते हैं हम फास्ट में, कैसे वो खत्म हो जाए जल्दी से दूसरा चैनल आ जाए. So that's how people will run away. So that's how you have to connect with your audience first, create a brand, a bond with them, and then if actually they will start respecting you automatically, whatever you will tell, they will follow you. So that's how you have to influence people.
I got
Okay?
it. Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks so much.
Thank you. Okay, who would like to come next?
Maheshwari Suresh Kumar from Coimbatore. Ma'am, audio is clear?
Audio is clear. Where are you? I'm searching you.
Maheshwari, ma'am.
Yes, yes, Maheshwari. Yeah.
Yeah. Good evening, all. This is Maheshwari from Coimbatore. My brand name is P5 Educations. I do conduct 4 types of programs. So I want to become a video influencer to provide awareness about my programs. First program is a pregnancy, prenatal educator. I am a prenatal educator and a pranic healer. So this, I want to give awareness about this program. Where do we eliminate fear? In this current situation, it will be very perfect, I think so. So I want to do it as soon as possible. And the next program is I'm conducting a program for mothers who are having 6 months to 6 years. So here mother will teach the kid. And another program is right from 6 years to 15 years, mother and the kid, a gift for you and me, a program where mother and the kid, both of them will be joining together. And after 15 years, a wonderful program, build your own triangle to help welcome happiness in their life. So all these 4 programs, I need to give awareness. And then the purpose of my channel is to bring the bonding between the mom and the kid. Because there is no bonding between the mom and the kid. Every mother is trying to bring her child in an intelligent way. The thing is, they don't know how to tell the kids. So they are thinking like mother is always nagging them. So I need to teach them few techniques. And then with the music therapy, they can do this through meditation, not through words. Always repeating the same words. Do not do this. Don't do this. Don't do this. That is being avoided. And the benefit of this course is again, of course, bonding with their baby and communicating with the baby right from the womb, from the pregnancy period. And why should they consume my content is to enjoy their kids, their childhood stage in a positive way. And mother can teach their kids to you using the heart-to-heart technique. So it will be very useful for them. And how frequently I'll release my videos, it will be every week, weekly once, one video I've planned. And format, in the beginning, I thought we'll do with infographics. And how you will get your 1,000 subscribers, that is there with already, because I am doing this past 10 years, more than 10 years, this prenatal education. So I do have my own customers, but I wanted to learn to you like Nandini Madhulika. Like in a year, she did some 10 million, 10 million or 1 million subscribers, and she gave a record break. I like to learn that from you, ma'am.
अरे मेरे ही नहीं है 10 million.
Not 10 billion, ma'am. 1 billion in a year.
Okay, okay. At least
And I have
1,000 I can teach.
Okay, ma'am. I'll multiply and I'll give a testimonial for your classes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. So
Beautiful
nice of you.
presentation.
Beautiful. Yeah.
Very nice.
Clap for
Very
her.
nice.
Thank
Very
you, ma'am. Thank you.
Wonderful. Means you are already a video influencer and you're already having thousands of subscribers. So
No,
well
ma'am.
done.
I don't
No?
have channel at all.
Okay, you're not having channel, but you are having customer. Thousands of customers
Yeah.
you are having. I thought
Yeah.
you're already having that many subscribers onto your
Okay.
channel.
No.
Okay, so Maheshwari, it is a very nice concept, and actually, you could get many means from many different platforms. You could get your audience because there are several platforms for kids. There are several platforms for newborn babies and mothers, pregnant women. So you may directly connect with your audience from those kind of different platform. Now, basically, whenever you would like to spread awareness at that moment of time, come up with the burning issues. Now, whichever
Okay.
burning issues mothers facing during that journey of 9 months during their pregnancy time, come up with one small issues in their daily life and start giving tips, right? And then
Okay,
of
ma'am.
course, for every mother, we all knows, those who are mothers, we all knows how difficult it's a journey. Beginning at least 1 year, 2 year, it's a means life changing, and it's a turning point of our life wherein actually we welcome that newborn baby, and our life actually completely change at that moment of time. And many of the time, many mothers even get depressed within that particular period. That is also a very big challenge. Many
To
of the
avoid
time we don't understand.
postpartum depression, ma'am.
Depression. So many of the time, we don't understand it's a postpartum depression, but that is the stage actually we gone through, and that's how life become more difficult and struggle started. So come up with those kind of issues which are burning issues in the society, and put it in such a way that they should get connect with those burning issues. Oh, I'm also feeling this. I'm also facing such kind of problem. So even I'm searching for some kind of problem, I should get connected with you, and that's how you try to provide solution. So firstly, it should be solution, not just giving or selling your services, but it should be like burning issues. Whatever issues are there, you are solving those issues. So that kind of awareness, you start building such kind of videos first, and then slowly, then as a part of solutions, you may come up with your services, products and
Okay.
services, whatever you are having with you. So it's an excellent thing, and there are several platforms already available wherein you can easily get connected with such kind of audience. Even those who are actually manufacturing such kind of products, no, baby products जो बनाते हैं, तो उनके जो फॉलोअर सब्सक्राइबर है, आप what you can do is you can go on to their YouTube channel, their social media pages, and those people who are connected with them can be your audience also. So
Okay.
that's how you connected with people, and join Facebook groups of such community wherein these kind of issues get discussed. New mothers are there, and all this kind of thing happens. Even educational platforms are there wherein sanskara classes few people do. So wherein for this 9 months they do some kind of programs for the pregnant ladies. So connects with such kind of platform through which you can actually connect with your audience. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. I have to share this. In a day 2 itself, you made me to come in a video format, ma'am. Because for past 5 years, I was behind video. I never come in social media, and I never show my face in social media. But when I attend your class, it was an ice breaking for me. So only I did my yesterday that video format, ma'am. I sent to you personally.
Oh,
Thanks a lot, ma'am.
Wonderful,
Thanks a lot.
wonderful.
Otherwise, I would
Thank
not
you.
come in front of the social media at all. I was
Oh.
thinking just to show the pamphlets and explain. Only after attending your session, I understand the value of showing our face in the video, ma'am.
Right,
Thank you. Thank
right.
you very much.
Even thank you from my end also. Thank you for appreciation. So clap for Maheshwari ji. Everyone, please motivate
Thank
her.
you.
Now, who would like to come next?
Yeah, Balasubramanian.
Yes, sir.
Good evening, madam. I am Dr. Balasubramaniam, basically from Coimbatore. I'm basically from the teaching family and I'm a math teacher logically. So I'm very logically strong. And the last 30 years, I'm in the teaching field. So I understand many of them are just doing good in the studies, but they're not able to fix their domain properly. So, like even 1 year before, in CBSE, the top first or second girl, she passed both the JE exam also and the NEET exam also. So what I want to say is conventionally, our people are very good in getting marks or whatever they need, but they don't know to fix the domain. So I am specializing with the idea of the domain fixing. So either for the students or for the teachers or the parents, koi baat nahi, whatever the area is okay. But the subject is very difficult. So it's very difficult to pass us through the papers and pencils. So if you make like a video, so we can show with the pictures and make them to understand. For example, like Sundar Pichai, we know that he studied engineering and metallurgy engineering, and he is working in the Google. So the computer he didn't study actually, and the computer knowledge is not much necessary at all to join the Google. But many of us think that only if you know the computer, we can go to the computer field. So there are many misconceptions. So this is my subject. And so I'm thinking that if we do the Word file and everything, so the matter may not communicate very easily. If you do through the video and with the pictures and everything, I hope they can understand easily. This is the main idea of the number 1 and number 2. And what benefits are the consuming our content? So they know that what the field they are exactly strong, not by the scoring. They have to know the intelligence and the skills like that. So we know that many examples that we can leave it. And why I should consume your content? Yes, they have to know that who they are and what they are and how they are and which field they can show their excellence. So the school marks are just showing the marks, but they are not showing the exact job domains, because there are hundreds and thousands of job domains. So this is the idea. And format, I'm thinking the video format it is better with the pictures. Yeah. So how we will get your initial 1,000 subscribers? I taught about more than 1,000, 2,000 students, but they are all mostly in link with the WhatsApp. I hope maybe I can send the link and they can ask to increase the subscribers. And I'm very new to this technology and the social media, Facebook, Instagram, like that. Anyway, I'll get your guidance to increase the numbers. Yeah.
Definitely, sir. Thank you very much. Wonderful.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
So you are helping with career guidance, domain. You are helping in domain means what exactly? Career guidance you are doing?
Technically speaking, I don't like to encourage the career guidance, because I don't want to use the word career. Because, for example, like I can say like an example. For example, like if you are selecting a people for the game of cricket. So in a cricket, we need a batsman also, bowler also, fielding also, wicket keeper also, everything we need. But it doesn't mean that only we need hundreds of batsmen, correct? So technically we need a smart person. Never mind what is the field they are working. So I want to know and improve their personality instead of choosing the career.
That's
so
fine.
they have
But
to
why I should understand my domain?
Yeah. They have to know first what field they are very smart. Suppose if a person is very, very thin, and why he has to go for the wrestling and weightlifting? So no need actually. So you don't need to think that only in the weightlifting he can get a gold medal. It's not like that. If he is a very thin person and he is having a very long leg, so he can go for running, or he can go for high jump or pole vault or basketball or football, like that. So like that in India, all the people will think that they want to go only for the cricket game. But other than the cricket, there are hundreds of games are there. So they are not exactly know their strength and playing. They are simply running or going on running. Some people are keep running. That's all. So I want to give a time for them to sit and study where they are strong, and then later they can find the career. But what generally we are doing first fixing the career and then they are studying. So what happened that in a short time they are telling that no, I'm not much fixed with this field. I want to change the field, like that. So many of the students are changing their domain within 4 or 5 years. We can see very easily in the engineering graduates. Nowadays, we can see many engineering graduates are working in the bank. I don't know why they studied the engineering to work in the bank. So they are wasting the money of their family and money of the government also. So if they are fixing their mind to go to the bank, so better they can study the BCom or BBA something, and
Okay,
they go
okay.
to the banking
Okay,
exam.
sir. At what level? At what level you will give your services? Like at school level, college level? To which student?
Yeah, you are correct. I want to emphasize this idea from the class 9 onwards. Yeah.
Class 9 onwards. Okay.
Yes. So I am preparing like a software, like a 2-3 type of questionnaire method software. So like I finish almost 4 or 5. So that if they do the different type of test at the different periods, so they know about their strength and weakness, so that they can improve they can play in the strength area and they can improve the weakness area, so that they can get the balance in the normal life. Yeah.
So in this software, you are having, means your tools are through this software only. You are having specific kind of questionnaire, and based on that, you're going to counsel them, right?
Yes, yes. For example, you know, the multiple intelligence is the famous theory. So when you do with the multiple intelligence, we know in the first, the top 3 intelligence is the strength area. So in the strength area, they have to play. At the same time, what is the weakest area, they have to enhance. For example, you know that we South Indians, we don't know the Hindi language. So, you know, that we are 2-3 times we are representing that, please talk in English like that. So this is our, the South Indians, especially the Tamil Nadu people, the weakest part is that they don't know the language of Hindi. So this is the weakest area. So they cannot enjoy the Hindi movies. They cannot read the Hindi films or Hindi books, and they cannot even get the employment, and they cannot stay a long time in the North India.
Sir. Please
this is
brief, because we are already running out of time.
Yes, I understand.
Sir, you need to focus, like DMIT test and all, you might have heard. DMIT test, you know, there are several different kind of tools for understanding all this kind of thing. So, okay, domain, when you are saying, even I could not understand exactly what you would like to give. So you need to actually come up with whatever you are giving in a more focused way, so that people should understand, easily get connect with you, what exactly you would like to do.
Yeah, for example, say,
they should not get confused.
Yes, for example, yourself, I'm thinking that you finished your PhD in the computer science field, correct?
Yes, yes. So regarding me, you don't
what I want to say is,
about
what I want to say is, for example, you finished your field in the computer engineering, but what I understood is you are very good in the interpersonal relations. Okay, so instead of doing the computer science engineering, or you do the computer science subject connected with the
for 15 years, I was teaching to MCA students. I was a professor. I was professor for MCA. And I taught computers, only computers, for more than 20 years, because when I was doing my graduation from that time, I was teaching to computers. So now I actually got bored with that technical things, and I come out of it.
This is the area only I want to say that why you get bored. So technically that you are not a introvert person, you are an extrovert person, and you are very good in the interpersonal relations and the public relations. So if you fix this type of domain very earlier, you may not get bored, and of course you will involve more time. This is the thing I want to stress it. Yeah.
Good. Okay, understood, sir. So yeah, overall, whatever things you are actually want to project, very good things. So all the best, my best wishes for your channel.
Thanks.
So clap for sir. Wonderful.
Thank you very much.
Okay, anyone else want to come up?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Okay, can I start?
Name please. I can't see you on camera.
Pradnya. Ma'am, actually there is no electricity, so.
Okay, no problem. You may start.
Okay. I'll start with the second question first. What is the purpose of your channel? It is to promote my business. Basically, me and my sister, we are starting up a new startup company. In that, we are doing kitchen gardening, grow your own garden. And so we will help the people, and plus we have organic, we have started with shampoos and soaps. We will add on more products to it, which are organic. So why do you want to become a video influencer? So that we can reach maximum people to like due to current, as per the current lifestyle, we want to reach maximum people to grow their own plants at home. In the kitchen garden, and so that benefits, it will be easily accessible to them. Secondly, it will avoid wastage. They can take how much they want. And third, it will save money as well, because once you plant it, it will be there with you forever. So we will do videos on how to take care of the plants, how to grow the plants, and also we will provide them the plants also, and videos on how to take care of the plants. So we will promote it on Facebook and Instagram initially, and and formats will be, we have actually decided to take kids also in our videos, so we can promote the new generation also into gardening and all for nature.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. Okay, so Pradnya ji, it's a kind of home gardening, or you are coming up with the specific kind of methods in the gardening, or you like to actually come with the organic kind of thing, like a herbal, few of the herbal things that should be there. So what is specific thing you would like to give to the audience?
It is organic gardening. Okay. At home, and also we are planning to do organic, like we provide organic products also, like even food and vegetables, fruits, everything, and plus gardening as well, like some plants we can grow at home. So okay. Even that.
So those people who stays in society and they don't have gardens and all, whether they can go with your method with certain kind of thing, like nowadays terrace gardening and all people do. Yes. So that is also included.
Yes.
So that is also there. Okay.
Yes.
Very good concept. I'm having one of the program herbalism. Within that, actually, we are having few of the herbs, and people always have so many doubts regarding how to actually grow those kind of herbs at their home itself. So I hope you can help me out within that also. And yeah, within that there is one specific chapter ki how to actually grow the herbs and all, but I don't do it practically. So if at all you are doing it practically, let me know. I'll also get connect with you. And of course, you are having a very good market, wherein because vegetable everyone needs, it's a daily need, and nowadays people are very much health conscious. So organic vegetables, fruits, it's a demand of for today's world now. So of course, my best wishes to you. How you can get connected? Yeah. So how you can get connected with your audience?
I can touch.
Okay, definitely. So there are several platforms, there are several communities through which actually you get connect with your audience and promote it very intelligently and with a lot of research, because it's a wonderful thing. You can get a very nice response, and both of you are there. Your sister is also there. So of course you are a team. So I know you will do a good job. Now already means I'm having almost 2,000 people on my channel, and this video I'm going to publish on my channel publicly. So those who have given their presentation, of course, you are presenting your idea in front of 2,000 people already, right? So if you would have come up with your channel name and link, that will be good, so that I can put it in the description of the same video, so that people may connect with you later on. Otherwise it will be difficult for you, because you are getting such a big opportunity and such a huge platform wherein you are directly connecting with lots of people, and you don't know like from where you can get audience. So that's how, if at all it's possible, please try to build your channel as soon as possible. Provide your channel link and try to put all these things finalized as soon as possible, and give your channel links. Our discussion group will always remain open. On to that group, you may share your channel links and whatever are the news of your channel, you may put it on the discussion group. So wonderful connecting with you all. Anyone else want to give presentation? Everyone has completed, or someone else still remain? Koi aana chahta hai?
Dr. Mohi. Okay, Madhavi ma'am, you please continue.
Okay, I'm Dr. Madhavi Khare. Actually,
Just a minute. You are not on camera?
Yes, ma'am.
You are on camera? Oh, yes, yeah, got it.
Yeah. Actually, voice clarity is there, because if the help of camera, sometimes it happens that voice is not audible. Okay, actually, I have the two things on agenda. One is related to education, but first of all, I'll focus on the hobbies, like for what purpose I wanted to start the YouTube channel. We have some couple of people, like-minded people together. So we want to create a networking, and photography is the most important thing which is on the agenda, because there are people those in Facebook, Instagram, and on other different groups. We have already working together. I mean, it's not only me, and they will be organizing some training programs for students, like school-going students also. We are working with the schools, like we have already discussed with a couple of schools, the CBSE board and ICSE board, for the hobby classes. And we'll be managing them, giving them different shoots, and giving them how to awareness program plus motivation. And secondly, the most important thing which is on the agenda is for the old people. Like because of the mobile now, the things are very handy, and they are also very much interested. So we have come across a few people, those who are interested. So we have made their group. And with the help of those group on the Facebook and Instagram, we are already helping them. And it's a hobby. There is no motivation behind for earning or something right now. But maybe in future, we might think in a different way, because working on different platforms and making all people together and networking them together, so that they can display their photograph, they can display their shooting, they can display their different life, whatever the, I mean, what we can say, some of the events. Sometimes they come across some events and they shoot and then they want to display. So it is something like an awareness for society also, and we are getting connected at a 3 level. So our motive is very different, and you have really helped me a lot, because subscribers is a different issue right now. We are not thinking on that platform, but yeah, another YouTube channel for the education purpose which we are planning, that I have not given a thought right now. Once this is getting uploaded and everything start working properly, definitely I'll take some help from you, because that time that is something at a bigger platform. And if you have any questions, ma'am, you can ask.
Wonderful, Madhvi ji. Clap for her. So yeah, I understood you are having two different ideas, and what you are saying about uploading their life and all, it's for student, right? For CBSE students, which grade students?
Yeah, so we have already discussed with a couple of principles. The students is a one aspect, because that group will be a different one. And all those old people like 60 plus, 70 plus, see, the people are very much interested. These oldies, they are nobody teaches them minutely. They too want to learn this. So we have made a different group for them. And they take some shootings, they go somewhere and some events are there. Sometimes they come across some bird watching is there. They go out, and so those also they want to display somewhere if they are really good, and if it's we want to motivate them, so that it is like a hobby also we would like to develop among those groups. And we have a different Facebook platform for them. The group of people are like gardening is there, then other different hobby groups are there. Similarly, we have made 3 different groups, one for the youngsters, one for the students, and one for the old people.
Okay. And on to Facebook only you are going to do this?
No, YouTube channel now we are planning, because Facebook we have groups, but like we would like to link it together. So with the proper hashtag plus other things, we want that more number of people should get associated with us. So the proper networking will be there, and awareness related to nature. So most important is that only photography for some human photography or something else, getting the students towards nature. Maybe later on, now the schools are closed, so maybe if it is permitted, some photography shoots can be organized on Saturdays and Sundays. Students can be invited, and we can plan some trips for them. We can also have some shoot sessions to make them understand, so that the liking has to be developed. Like for the dance, we develop the liking. For the singing, we develop the, so parents are interested that their children should also get exposed, but right now there are no avenues.
Okay, okay, great, wonderful. So now many of you are doing several different things, and we are NITA Training and Consulting Services. I'm running two different organizations. One is NTCS and another is IIT, International Association of Industry Institute Interface, which is NGO, social organization. Now, if at all, in terms of business opportunities, you'd like to get connected with me, so you may personally let me understand. We are actually looking for business associates wherein whatever you are doing, we may promote it, and we may have different models or subscription models are there. Different things are there wherein we will also uniquely decide what kind of conditions, on which terms and conditions you would like to get associated with us. So we are looking for such kind of freelancers wherein we could associate, and we both could grow together. So not only for her, but it's for everyone. We are having one business associate group. I'll provide the link. So those who are interested for some kind of business opportunities with NTCS and IIT, we may have a discussion. So this is what is the start of influencing journey, wherein we may understand how we could actually help each other so that we could grow. Only technical thing is not there, but of course that network is one of the biggest thing that we require whenever we would like to become influencer at any of the media. It's not only video, but it's any kind of social media or any kind of thing. We need people. If you're not having good network, actually we can't grow, because people only need services, right? So to become influencer, there you need audience to influence, right? And that audience will come from the different mediums through your network only. So to enhance your network and have explore some of the business opportunities also, you may connect with me later on. So I am really happy to understand, to know what you all people are doing. So if we would have such kind of discussions prior, within the 7 days, we might have done a good venture. But anyways, time gaya nahi hai, but still we are having good amount of time wherein we get associate, we could understand each other, and we may have some kind of good association. So yeah, thank you, ma'am. So who would like to come next? Anyone, Ramel?
Myself?
Yes.
Your first question, why you want to do this? So I am an Ayurvedic doctor. I have my own foundation, Manaswini Ayurved Foundation, and it is now WYO registered, World Yoga Organization registered yoga school. So we are working at 3 levels: for the common people, for yoga teachers, and also we are training to the doctors. We have a team of 5 members, like one doctor, physiotherapy, psychologist, yoga teacher, and my director. So we all are working together to grow this Ayurveda. Our main motive is to create awareness about the integrated approach of medical sciences. So treatment without medicine is our main motive. So basically we are working on the health education sector. It is a lifestyle management. So everything regarding that we want to put in front of the people. So main motive is, our tagline is Sulabha Prasuti and Tejasvi Nirmiti. My main product is Ayurmangalam Garbha Samskar and Ayurmangalam Bala Samskar and Kala Samskar. So I think that agar pure world ko badalna hai, if we want to change the whole world, we have to start from the womb itself. So I started my journey from the womb. So I am taking Garbha Sanskar classes since 2012, but on platform I am coming from the 2016 now. I have my own YouTube channel since last few months only. Initially, I was using only Facebook. I'm not that much connected with the these things. You know that doctors are very much weak in that. लेकिन हेल्थ एजुकेशन ऐसा है कि आप लोगों तक पहुंचना चाहते हो तो यू कैन नॉट ऐड योरसेल्फ. आप एडवर्टाइजमेंट इस तरीके से नहीं करना चाहते कि आपकी एडवर्टाइजमेंट लगे, बट रियली वी वांट टू रीच द मैक्सिमम पीपल विद दिस प्योर हेतु कि हमें तेजस्वी निर्माण करना है. The second product we just launched now of Bala Sanskar. So we are focusing on the 0 to 5 years age group for their IQ development, emotional IQ development, their memory enhancing and all that purpose. So what are the benefits that the consumers will get? They can live a healthy and happy life without medicines, and they can be healthy and happy with mental, physical status and their spiritual status also in each phase. So my next target will be the teenagers after this product. So I'm going step by step. I'm putting efforts of the six months I have planned. So in next 3 to 4 years, it will reach to up to the old age peoples, I think, and everyone in the world will see this is my age and now I want this guidance, and they will get here. Since from doctors to the healers, from educators to everything, they will get on this platform. Then why one should consume content, I already answered it. Weekly once or twice only I can take, because all these things I like to educate people, but I also like to treat the people. So I managed my day into the 2 sessions, like treating the actual patients, giving them panchakarma facilities, giving them education of Garbha Sanskar and all. And the second will be the education sector, Manaswini Foundation. I feel that कि मैं इस दुनिया में रहूं या न रहूं, but my work will still remain and it will be continued through the next and next generation ahead. So that is the thing. Then which format? Actually, I missed so many sessions because that was clashing with my Garbha Sanskar classes. So I will just go through that notes again and I will decide my format. Now on my Facebook page, I take some interviews of the burning issues. लाइक आज चंद्र ग्रहण था, तो काफी सारे मदर्स वेर आस्किंग अबाउट कि चंद्र ग्रहण में हमें क्या पालना चाहिए, कट नहीं करना है, बच्चे को क्लिप पैलेट हो जाएगा, मेरी सासू माँ कह रही कि खाना नहीं है बट मैं 5 घंटे तक खाली पेट नहीं रह सकती. So I made a video on that ki actually what is the science behind Chandra Grahan. So I am trying to give the answer whatever people are asking to me. So I'm giving informations. I'm also arranging some interviews. I'm trying to motivate the people, like World Parenting Day ho gaya hai, to fir I appreciated some parents on my page like that. And last question was ki how I get the 1000 subscriber. So I'm very new in YouTube channel. I'm just uploading whatever my videos are on Facebook, I'm uploading as it is on the YouTube. So I have just 64 subscriber in last 2 months, and I'm not doing anything. But now onwards, I will study each and every point by you. Initially, मेरे videos बहुत लंबे रहते थे. Now I will try to put my things in a short way, precisely, and focus on my things whatever I want. So definitely your things are going to help me a lot. So thank you so much for this. जो बहुत सालों से करना चाहती थी, शायद लॉकडाउन की वजह से मैं घर में हूँ, and I started looking into this thing. और आज मुझे कई सारे वर्ल्ड से मेरे योगा टीचर्स में अभी 187 डॉक्टर्स हैं जो मेरा कोर्स कर चुके हैं, एंड दे आर प्रैक्टिसिंग इन फॉरेन कंट्रीज. तो अभी मेरा नेक्स्ट स्टेप होगा कि हाउ टू फोकस ऑन द इंटरनेशनल स्पीकर, कैसे बनना है. तो वो मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द प्लेटफॉर्म. सो मेरा मेन कंसर्न है how to find out the platform and how to reach the maximum people, and where I can get मेरी आइडिया मैं कहाँ पे इम्प्लीमेंट करूँ, वो अभी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. So I need to study more about it. So thank you so much.
Wonderful. तो आप ऑलरेडी इन्फ्लुएंसर है, फेसबुक पे आपका ऑलरेडी जर्नी चल रहा है, ऑलरेडी यूट्यूब पे भी आपका जर्नी है. बहुत ही अच्छा लगा आपसे लाइक आपके बारे में जान के कि यू आर ऑलरेडी हैविंग अ गुड टीम एंड सो मेनी डॉक्टर्स आल्सो देयर विद इन योर कम्युनिटी. सो इट्स अ गुड थिंग, गुड अचीवमेंट. And whatever aim you are having, your work actually should remain in this world even after you. So that is, I really that was a touching word sentence from your whole presentation. So wonderful. I'm really proud of you. Whatever work you're doing, it's very beneficial for the society. Now we are also connected, may get connect, associate, and also Maheshwari ji, you may also have good connect because you both are doing similar kind of thing. She is also helping pregnant women, and you are also doing Bal Sanskara, Garbha Sanskar, and all this kind of thing. So yeah, it's a good connect and a good platform you are getting. Now, whatever you people are doing, like a healthy life without medicine, even we under NTCS are running several courses wherein healing courses. just like color therapy is there, crystal therapy is there, then different kind of therapies like CBT is there, then acupressure and all these kind of things are there. So within that, actually, we just teach theoretical things. Practical things are also there, wherein we provide videos and all. But if at all there are course participants who would like to do some kind of internship or practice under your guidance, so I hope that will be helpful. And of course, you are doing yoga things and all. So on daily basis also, we are having some channel on which we are giving daily live sessions on meditation. So I have already provided that group link with you all. So we may actually discuss about all these kind of things. And I'll also suggest few of more things to you, how to increase your reach. Okay. So all the best and my best wishes to all of you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ms. Nita. You did a great job. Great.
Thank you.
Within a span of a week time, we had no clue. And personally coming each day and providing us 1 hour of your precious time for this, it's great job. Thank you so much. A big clap to you.
Thank you. Thank you. So that will be actually, that will work even only if you follow all this kind of thing. And of course, wonderfully, this is not the last session. We will have one more session because today, whole session, we have done this presentation only. So whatever actually I would like to give you today, so I could not give you because I could understand there were so many doubts. Yesterday, he has done that editing and all, everything together. So I know that there must be a lot of confusion. So don't get confused or don't get and don't feel ki, okay, ye kaise hoga and all that kind of confusion. Just get away from that kind of confusion. I'll make it very, very simple and give you some simple tips how to create that infographic video and how to edit your small video. So everything I'll give, don't worry about that. Now I'm having 2-3 topics. Prior to that, anyone wants to give presentation? Koi bacha hai jinka abhi tak nahi hua hai? Anyone else?
No, ma'am, I need your help that whatever videos I have sent you, just see it and please suggest me the things.
Yes, yes. You have already sent it on my personal wall or group?
No, in a group. In a group, I have sent today's video, Chandragrahan.
Okay.
But it is too long video. Usually I make the 2-3 minutes video. So I will share 1 or 2 videos in a group. So you please all go through that and please suggest me the things, what people exactly think about. Nobody tells the truth. So I feel that all you are like spectacular. So please tell me the things and suggest.
Definitely, definitely. Yes, we'll do that.
Madam, can we get this yesterday's recording? Because you were showing very in urgency. So it was a lot of confusion, so that by step we can see that and at least we will get something over there.
Recording time was already shared yesterday itself.
No, yesterday's recording, Mr. Singh, Lokpan Singh was showing how to create these videos and all. No?
Yeah, yesterday itself I have shared. No, you didn't get it?
No, madam, I didn't get it.
Actually, no, it is there in the group. I have downloaded it, but it is very blur. Like whatever he has selected from that editor, it's very blur. Like we can't understand what exactly he has selected. Like from where he has moved the file he has copied. That we can't understand because the description is not readable.
Sir, day 6 yesterday you can see here link is
there,
provided.
But no. As madam said, it is not. It is no clarity on that.
Oh, sir. Today I watched the video, the whole video. It was 1 hour and 22 minutes.
Yeah.
In YouTube.
Yeah. In YouTube,
take the link. Yeah, take the link, paste it in YouTube. You can watch the video.
Okay.
It's clear in YouTube.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
So blur and all, whatever has come in between, no? So that is not a problem. Whatever a specific problem you are having, just come up with that and let me know. Yeah, yesterday's, I hope your question might have solved. Yesterday's recording is already there. You just pause it, stop it, then rewind it and just check wherever you find difficulties. Tomorrow I'll again take one session. It's a practical session wherein I'll give you a few of the tools. Now, for example, you would like to create infographic video simply with the PowerPoint. So we will create one video like that, wherein you can shoot yourself and infographics will also be there. So that kind of one video we will do. One video we will do with stock video, wherein I'll give you one tool for recording your voiceover, and we will just download few of the stock videos from the free sources, and we will have such kind of video. So that creation I'll teach you. That is second thing. So infographics wala with the stock video, and then of course action. So you can shoot it. So already we have taken a shoot of our voiceover, then how to edit that, how to put that intro, outro, all that kind of thing, how to club it together. So these few things I will teach you. Now there is a separate chapter on to how to get your first 1000 subscriber, and how to make your video viral. So these more 2 lessons I will give you. Now there are again further 5 to 10 lessons more, but actually it's not in the scope of this particular course. So we will very soon will come up with the level 2 of video influencer. Within level 2, we will have a few more advanced discussion about these things, and few topics we will elaborate within that particular course. Though we are, it's not a last channel class today, we will have one more session, but that will be purely practical, and hopefully if it is possible, because tomorrow again we are doing practical, so whatever 2 lessons I have to complete, so I'll put recorded videos on those 2 lessons. One is how to get your 1000 subscriber, and how to get your video viral. So on these 2 lessons I'll put recording. So additional, I'm giving you near about 3 lessons, wherein 2 lessons I'll give recording, and one more lesson I'll give you on the additional thing, that is wherein we'll understand basics of video editing and creating video, uploading video and everything. Okay, so even though we have finished up with, but still our journey of video influencing is starting from here. So tomorrow we are going to meet again at 6 o'clock. Yes, anyone is having any doubts or queries, kindly send me the website or site's name to download the free software. Okay, उसके बारे में मैं आपको हैक देने वाली थी ना, तो अभी बता देती हूँ आपको क्या करना है. What you have to do is you have to just search for video editing software on YouTube. Now there will be few YouTubers who will give you demo, right? Now once they will teach you how to use a specific software, at the same moment of time many of the YouTubers will give you some crack version of the software. Now for example, as I have already told you, KineMaster, Movavi, whatever other softwares are there, that all are paid software. There are very few software which are free, but in free software you will not get full featured functionalities of editing. So what you can do is search on YouTube for the tutorials of these kind of software. First on Google you have to check this name, whatever name we have provided, then search on YouTube. Onto YouTube, many of the YouTubers will provide you with a link from where actually you have to download it. So they will give you crack version. So you have to explore it. This is what is the hack. That is how even I was, I got my Movavi software, though I was having previously the paid version of the same. But one of the YouTuber from one of the video, actually I was got the crack version also. But after having that payment version, paid version, I got it. So it's of no use. But yeah, there are ways like this. So don't just rely on us, we will, because even I need to find out that again. So please try to explore it, because that is not legal if we will give you any kind of crack version and all, because of course these people have also their policies. So we can't provide you such kind of link. You have to explore it by yourself. But this is what the hack from my end. I can give you this much suggestion कि आप YouTube channel पे जाओ. You have to search for this kind of tutorials. Many of the YouTuber will provide you with the crack version of this kind of software. Otherwise, you have to purchase. You have to purchase the subscription of their whatever. That the price is not much. They will provide it on the subscription basis, or 4,000, 5,000. That kind of things are there. If you really want to invest your time on editing softwares and all. Otherwise, use the free versions. Even these people, they also provide free version for some amount of time. Okay, so don't rely for the links. You have to just Google it and you have to explore it. We can't provide it directly, crack version and all. We can. We have already given you name, so you have to search it on the net and you have to find it out. Okay, got it, sir? Have you all understand crack hack समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's conclude our today's session over here, and let's meet up tomorrow for the practical session, which is additional practical session wherein I have already told you what are the things we are going to see tomorrow. So thank you very much. Nice to know you all personally, and my best wishes to all of you. Thank you.
madam.
Bye-bye.
Thank you all.
Thank you. Thank you
madam.
so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful session. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
I will ask my doubts on the group so that you may cover it by tomorrow.
Definitely, definitely. I'll do that. Chalo then. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.